guys, this is Apurwa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make one of my favorite desserts, mango mousse. I think mango mousse is one of perfect choice for summer dessert, and trust me, it's really easy to prepare. So here, all we need is some chopped mangoes, some cold whipping cream, and some icing sugar. First, we'll add 3/4 a cup of chopped mangoes in a grinder and grind it to a smooth puree. So our puree is ready. Now we'll take some cold whipping cream. We will whip it till we get stiff peak. We will add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of icing sugar to it and we'll whip it again. We will save some whipped cream for decoration. Now we add the mango puree to the whipped cream and give it a good mix. Fill the glasses with this mango flavored mousse. We will refrigerate it to 15 to 20 minutes. Our chilled mango mousse is ready. Now we will top this mango mousse with some whipped cream. And then we'll garnish it with some almond crumbs. There you go. This is a must try. Try this easy mango mousse in this mango season and enjoy. And of course, if you like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Cheers.
Cheers.
너 먼저 껐을래?
와, 남미래서.
먼저 거 중가 뭐야?